What's up, everyone? It's your boy Terry speaking at an undisclosed location. You remember my man Nelson Rosado. You know what's called. You're saying to yourself, "Hey Terry, what's going on? Why are you outside?" A lot of people have been asking about the LeMans. You remember the LeMans that we're going to convert to a GTO, but now we're having second thoughts about converting it and keeping it LeMans because that ugly front nose. But even still, we got the nose for the GTO, but we're going to put the LeMans nose back on. Yeah, well, whatever, right? So basically, I've been stockpiling parts. You all know that, and I got a very, very good part right here. Check this out. It's in the back of the Trailblazer. All right, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, we got a 12-bolt rear. Now, my man Nelson, he loves 9 inches, 4 9-inches. I don't know why, but I like 12 bolts. But the thing is, he's working on a car. You see that orange GTO back there? That's our buddy Mike's car. And he wanted the whole, well, I'll let Nelson tell it. Talk to Nelson.
Yeah, he wanted a 4 9-inch. We did a QA1 coilover kit. Willwood disc brakes all the way around, so it should be nice.
All right.
So Terry gets the benefits of getting the parts that come off of that for his LeMans. We're donating some stuff.
Yep. Like
so
I said.
Oh, we got front disc brakes.
Oh, front disc brakes and everything. Yeah.
Even though the box says Willwood, it's all CPP.
Now the thing is that, you know, that's a 70 GTO and mine's a 69 LeMans, but it's basically the same car. So this is going to fit right up in there. I was going to rebuild that Pontiac rear end, but why do that? You know, why do that? The only benefit behind that is because it has bolt-in axles. But even still, this is a 12 bolt, and we're going to definitely use it. We got a nice rear end here, and we're definitely going to use this. But 373 gears, and we're going to put it behind a 6-speed. So
yeah, that's perfect.
So the point of this video is, if you got buddies who build cars, there's nothing wrong. We're taking the parts.
We're always moving parts.
Always moving, yeah.
Somebody's always benefiting. Parts, you know?
Exactly. Today's my day, so I'm excited about it.
You get a lot of days, man.
I get a lot of He's right about that. But anyways, as always, be easy. I gotta get this on home. I gotta try to get my hoist so I can get it in here to lift it up because, you know, the back, you don't want to hurt the back. No, you don't want to do that.
No.
But I'm gonna treat Nelson some butter pecan coffee.
Get out of here, man.
The man likes his coffee straight black. I don't stand it, you know, no sugar.
Mud.
Oh man, he's just sucking a coffee bean. But as always, there you go. Be easy. Nelson, take us out.
Yeah, peace.
All right, peace out, everyone.